Hi, I'm Carla Wolno, host of How to Stage Your Own Home and spokesperson for the RE/MAX program, Are You Fit to Sell? Selling your home in today's market requires some thoughtful planning and expertise. The RE/MAX Are You Fit to Sell program will help you determine if you are in the right shape. When it comes to preparing your home for sale, you need to take an objective look at your house and determine what updates and repairs are needed. Create a list and decide what you can do to improve the overall presentation of your home that fits into your timeline and budget. People today are looking to buy homes and not work. So when a buyer sees a house that they like, but it requires repairs and maintenance, this means they need to invest money. When a buyer needs to invest money into a potential property, they will definitely reduce their offer price, which is lost equity to you, the homeowner. The majority of buyers are willing to pay more for a house that has been well looked after, so show the buyers that your home is in turnkey condition. What are the updates that need to be done? What is your budget? This will help you determine where to start. If you are not able to do everything, kitchens and bathrooms will bring you the best return on your investment. There are many ways to update these rooms without spending a lot of money. Are there any repairs that you've been putting off? Buyers are always looking for something to reduce their offer price. Completing all repairs helps to remove any thoughts of a lower offer. Are your permanent light fixtures old, broken, or outdated? What kind of condition are your windows, door trim, and baseboards? Do you have any cracks or holes in your walls? Go to fittosell.ca to get a copy of our checklist. By completing your list, you are one step closer to having your home sell faster and for more money.